Hi, my name is Fred Fisher, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Elm Insurance Brokers, a wholly owned subsidiary of Align Financial Group. We also are a wholesaler of employment practice liability insurance, probably one of the most sought-after executive liability coverages in the marketplace today. Given the turmoil regarding claims and wage and hour claims, employment practice coverage today is not standardized, and many different policy forms prevail. In addition, the types of coverages that are now offered by employment practice markets vary widely. It's important to understand these coverages. In addition, all of these policies are written on what's called a claims made and reported basis. These are very dangerous forms, and you should be very experienced or work with an experienced person who understands the nuances of claims made forms. Employment practice policies generally are designed to cover claims against the corporate insured brought by mostly employees claiming discrimination, workplace torts, or harassment, sexual harassment, and wrongful termination. Each policy handles the definition of what's called a wrongful employment act differently, and it is important, therefore, to read the policy carefully and look at the definitions to see what is or may not be covered. If you are not sure or lack experience in handling or selling employment practice policies, you need to work with an experienced wholesaler. Elm has over 100 collective years amongst our staff in handling employment practice policies. But it is not just how the hazard is covered that is important. Claims must be first made and reported to the company during the policy term. There may or may not be an automatic grace period. Some policies may even have an internal time limitation requiring that claims be reported to the insurance company not only as soon as practicable, but in no event later than some specified time, sometimes as short as 30 days, in which case the policy really isn't a claims made and reported form. It's a claims made and reported form no later than 30 days after you know about the claim. These are policies that are not for the inexperienced. You need to partner up with an experienced wholesaler such as Elm Insurance Brokers. We hope you will give us the opportunity of being of service in showing you and your clients how we provide financial security. Thank you.